Art-along friends.
Today we're drawing a
Easter bunny's
butt.
I bet you don't know what an Easter bunny's butt looks like.
Yep. Well, I do.
Yeah, so we are going to draw a bunny's butt. We thought it would be a fun idea instead of just drawing a normal Easter bunny.
Yes.
They're cute, but we wanted to take a different take on it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you ready?
Yep. Let's go, go, go.
All you need is paper and drawing supplies, okay?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do my paper this way.
Great idea. So today we're turning our paper landscape mode.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's gonna be real simple. First, we start with a big round sideways C, okay? This is gonna be the big butt of the bunny. And don't connect it all the way in the bottom. Okay, underneath each of the ends, we're going to draw a slim oval shape. This is gonna be the bunny's foot. Okay? And then we're gonna draw one more on this other side.
And then connect it in the middle.
That's right. And then we're gonna connect it in the middle. So we're gonna connect the rest of the butt. Okay? And then we're going to draw its little cottontail.
Mm-hmm.
So what we'll do is draw a little bit of a zigzaggy line right around the middle, a little below the bum, the center of the butt. So a little bit like this. And then we'll draw a curved line down and back up. It's gonna be a little cottontail. Okay? Yeah. And then all we need to draw now are the bunny's ears
Yes.
sticking out from the top of his bum.
Yeah, and then maybe some decorations.
Yeah, so for the bunny ears, we're just going to draw a long curve up and then curve it back down. Because bunnies have long ears, right?
Mm-hmm. And on the other side.
Yeah, just another one on the other side. And that's it. That's the bunny's bum. Yours is so big. And so we're gonna decorate it with lots of tulips next to it so that it looks like it's hiding away in a tulip field and eating some tulips. Because tulips are like candy for bunnies.
Mm-hmm.
You can also draw lots of Easter eggs and pretend like the Easter bunny is hiding inside of the egg field, or a bunch of eggs, I guess. But yeah, how simple is that?
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay, yeah, let's color and decorate. And we had this idea because we have a bunny that just keeps eating all of our tulips, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's driving me crazy.
You have a blue bunny?
No, I'm just drawing the little shadows
Oh.
because I don't want to color it. I want it to be a white bunny. Although the bunny in our neighborhood is brown, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Who knew we were gonna draw an Easter bunny's butt?
Us?
But we didn't know we were gonna do this until not too long ago.
Yeah, I guess so.
Easter bunny's butt.
Still not done.
Okay. You're coloring the whole thing? Wow. Is this process blue?
Yes.
You love process blue.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, done? Well, Art-along friends, there you have it.
And
Easter bunny's butt. Hope you had fun, Art-along friends, and come join us next time.
bye. See you next time.